Hi, my name is Kodey Brims. I'm a student at DJP Music School, and these are my 5 tips for how to start producing your own songs. This is for anyone who's a singer-songwriter out there who's looking to start producing. Step 1 is to make a lead sheet. It can look something like this, which I would present to a band, or it can look something like this. These are just some notes for myself. And once you have your lead sheet, you can go and put in the sections in your Ableton arrangement session. And it seems very basic, but we're doing this so that we know very clearly where everything has to happen and you're already ready to go. Step 2 is when I've just finished writing a song, normally that's the time that I have the most ideas, and I don't want to lose those ideas later on when an hour later I'm trying to find a drum sound. So what I like to do is create an idea track. And this is every idea I have. I very roughly record it into the computer and I put it all there. Doesn't have to sound great or anything fancy. And then we'll have something sounding like this. From a production standpoint, it's really messy, but it's really great for me to go back and get excited about those ideas I had before. Step 3 is to make a scratch vocal and a scratch instrumental track. It seems basic, but again, it's very important later on so that you can have that structure there. So I'm going to go ahead and move this scratch piano and scratch vocal track I had before. I'm going to put it over here, and then it can sound something like this. You are right behind me, creeping in my shadow when you don't pay rent. I listen blindly and I forget you're in my head. Again, like very basic piano, not the best vocal take obviously, but the idea is there and we can always build from that. Step 4, if you don't have any idea on where to start, you can always go back to your idea track, take one of those clips, listen to it, and go from there. So here's an example I have here. My very bad attempt at vocal percussion, but still, it's great, got the idea there. I can come over here to this basic drum kit, and I can start making sounds from there, like, and so on. And then step 5 is to have patience. I know it can seem frustrating, particularly if you're a songwriter first, because your production skills might not be up to speed with your songwriting skills. But take time and be patient with yourself, and you can always try again and always add layers. So eventually it can sound something like this. You got me running, a race I'll never win. You got me running, I'm stressing in my skin. I never can just sit down, you never let me feel proud. You got me running out. And that's all. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips useful.